Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Reaching Riches here. So today is October 26th. In this video, we're going to go over the trades that RoundHill did for the trade week of the 21st through the 25th. So that was just this week still. And this is going to be declared on November 6th. Just as a quick reminder, this video is going out to members first, and then on Friday, which would be the 1st, November 1st, then it'll be open to non-members. So if you would like to get these estimate videos a little early, feel free to join that membership down below. All right, so let's go and take a look at volatility first so we can get some context of what was going on. So 21st, this is VXN, so this is NASDAQ, started at 21, almost 22, and it rose to about 23.20, so increasing volatility there. VIX, this is S&P, so started about 1836 and ended at 2033. And Russell, this is the RVX, it started up here at 2662, and it dropped a little bit throughout the week, and then it ended at 2681. So rising volatility on NASDAQ and S&P, and then kind of a U-shaped volatility on the Russell. So we should see the increased volatility reflected in the premiums collected. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at their trades. So Monday, let's go ahead and reveal. This is QDTE. So 236 contracts collected 741,000. That's a pretty big premium day there. And it's a loss. So 23.20 was our strike. Closed above our strike at 23.61. That was 0.19% out the money. And since it was a loss, we had to pay to close, which was almost $1 million here. Ooh, not starting a week off good. All right, so Tuesday, the 22nd. 236 contracts collected 685,000. That's a big premium day also, but we lost this day. So 23.10 was our strike, and it closed above our strike at 23.83. Wow, this was a little bit further out the money at 0.26%. This was 1.7 million dollars to close. Wow. Okay, that's hurting already. All right, so Wednesday, can we turn it around? So Wednesday, 241 contracts collected 723,000. That's another big premium day here, and we won. So 23.40 was our strike. It closed below our strike at 20,066. That was 0.18% of the money. Still kind of close. Why are they? I mean, volatility was spiking. They're playing these a little close. And nothing to close, so full profit day. Here is Thursday. This is 245 contracts collected, only 290,000. So half of what these other days were, but it's all good. It's a full premium day here, so we won this one. 23.20 was our strike. Closed below our strike at 22.32. So all right, so they played this one definitely further out. This is what I like to see. 0.61. I mean, it didn't have to be this far out, but a win is a win, so I'll take it. All right, and Friday, so 246 contracts collected almost 600,000, and it's a win. All right, so 24.50 was our strike. Closed below our strike at 23.52, so good job there. And this one was 0.47% out the money. So I think it would be good if they played it around the 0.3 to about 0.4 ish area. I think they would win more. So that was a win though. So 3 wins, 2 losses here. And we collected a total of $3 million. And we had a loss of $2.7 million. So they're not going to net these. They're still going to pay out this. The losses will get taken out of cash because these are index options and they're European settled, which means they're settled in cash. All right, so outstanding shares is at 11,900,000. 30,000, and win rate is still at that 69%, so pretty good, 69.57%. Their average out of the money is 0.34% out the money, so not bad here. I would like to see it, yeah, around the 0.3 to 0.4. I'd be pretty good there. I think we would win more often. We would collect less premium, but we would win more often. All right, so now what everybody's been waiting for. Let's go ahead and look at the premium or the dividends. 0.25 cents, so 25 cents per share is what we are looking at. So pretty good. I'm pretty happy around the 25 to 30 cent range. Definitely doubled the premium since from last time or last estimate. So more premium means more dividends. So that is good. Let's go ahead and take a look at XDTE here. Monday, let's go ahead and start revealing. So Monday 306 contract collected 127,000, and it's a win. So 58.70 was our strike, closed below our strike at 58.53. That was 0.21% out the money. Nothing to close, so full profit day. Tuesday 306 contracts again, collected 152 or 152,000, and that's a loss. So 58.40 was our strike, and it closed below or above our strike at 58.51. Why'd they play that so dang close? $8 away from away from the strike. 0.13% of the money. And that cost us $342,000 to close this one. Man, I don't know why they play it so close sometimes. Alright, so Wednesday here, 319 contracts are going up, collected 152,000, and it's a win. So 58.45 with our strike, closed below our strike at 57.97, and 0.18 still kind of close. I feel like anything under 2 it's really close, but it paid off. So nothing to close, so full profit day there. Let's go look at Thursday. 327 contract collected only 97,000. That's it. Okay. All right. So 58.35 with our strike, closed below our strike at 58.09. And that was 0.3. So there we go, 0.3% out the money. But yeah, if we get lower premium for going a little bit farther out, but it's all good. Full profit day there. And Friday, 327 contracts, collected $224,000. That's a big day right there. 58.50 was our strike, closed below our strike at 58.08, and that was 0.4% out the money. So even further out, so not bad. And they still collected pretty good amount of premium. So 4 wins, 1 losses. 1 loss, not bad. I'll take it. So average out of the money is 0.24%. So that's pretty good. Collected 755,000 in premium. Total losses was 342,000. We have an average win rate of 68.39%. So a little under QDTE's win rate. And let's see what we're gonna get paid. So 3695000, 20 cents. All right, so that's kind of where they've been averaging last few months, maybe like 2 months or so now, around the 20-cent range. So not bad there. It's kind of what I expect. All right, so let's go and move on to RDTE. So RDTE, the wild child. They've actually been trending closer and closer to the estimates, so that's good. That's what I like to see. That means they're looks like they're not going to be overpaying as much. If they're getting closer to estimate, that means they're not paying. They're not overpaying as much. All right, so let's get into it here. Monday. So reveal. So 242 contracts, collected 45,000, and it's a win. So 22.85 is our strike, closed below our strike at 22.39, 0.42% of the money. So good job there. Tuesday, 242 contracts, collected 93,000, and our strike was 22.40. That's a win. So it closed below our strike at 22.31. Out of the money was 0.19. So played this one a little bit $5 out the money. That was really close. $5 out the money. That paid off though. Um, all right, Wednesday, 288 contract, looking at $100,000. All right, big premium day here, and it's a win. All right, 22.25 with a strike. Oh my god, that was 0.02% out the money. They sold this basically at the money. It opened at 22.24. They sold the strike at 22.25. Wow, they are ballsy on this one. All right, so Thursday, 288 contracts, collected 64,000. Strike is 22.35. This one a little bit more out the money, so 0.81% out the money. So that was a win. All right, and Friday, 288 contract, collecting 61,000, and it's a win. So 22.45 is our strike. Close below our strike at 22.07. And that was 0.86% out the money. See, these percent out the money make no sense to me. I can't pinpoint what their strategy is, because look at this. It went from like moderate out the money to close as hell to far, and then another far. So went a little wild on strikes. All good. We got full win for the week on RDTE, so I'll take it. All right, so average out of the money here is 0.46%. Premium collectors 365 and zero losses. So good job, RDTE. Win rate 73.53% win rate. So the highest win rate so far, but they also don't have a long track record. They only have like 2 months of trading, so not a lot of track record. All right, so what everyone's been waiting for. 1590000. 23 cents is what we are looking for, or looking at for our dividend. So 1590000. Yep, that's correct. So 23 cents is what we can be expecting here. All right, let's move into the analysis tabs here. So QDTE here. They have been adding to these calls here, at least mainly this one right here. So let's look at what we can expect here. So gross premiums collected so far, 36 million, almost 37. What they've actually paid out. This is going to be lagging because, I mean, this video is like early still, so they haven't declared the 30th, and then this will be declared on November. So actual payouts going to be different depending on when you watch this. But right now, as of today, 36 or almost 37 million collected, 35 million actual paid out, and total losses so far is almost 23 million. Now they're deep in the money, are worth 19, almost 20 million, and right now, if we were to net their deep in the monies against our losses, we would still be negative $3 million. All right, and then I've added this new column here, and I've removed some of the other stuff. I didn't feel like the other stuff was really as relevant, but I've added these ones here. So the price as of today is $42.50. NAV is $42.53. So we are trading below NAV right now by 0.06%. So take it as you will. We are below NAV by 3 cents. All right, and then it's just a recap here. Oops, forgot to drag this one down. 0.25% is what, or 0.25 cents is what we can expect on QDTE. Total dividends paid is $9.43, and the average dividend is 30 cents. In like the last, since August maybe? Or is it July? Yeah, since pretty much August all the way until today, we've only seen that them hit that average once, and that was what, on the 16th. So they've been trending under average for quite a bit now. Um, but we'll see. We'll see how this trend goes. All right. So, sorry, did I have that date wrong? Oh yeah, no, never mind. Since we have 44 here. Actually, yeah, it hasn't actually been that. I was looking at the wrong column. Sorry. Let's see how long we've been. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had a month of under average, and then we hit average, and then we're back under average. All right, so let's go and look at XDTE here. So XDTE, they're long calls. What it's worth right now, or if we were to sell it today, we would be positive 6.3 million. If we were to net that against their losses, which is another 6.352 million, would be underwater 48,000 right now on XDTE. So not nearly as bad as QDTE, but still not what we want. Premium total gross premiums is 7.6 million. Total paid out is 8.66 million. So they paid out a little more than what they've collected so far. So some overpayments have been happening there. Total dividends paid $7.48. Average dividend 0.24 cents. So we've been right around this average dividend for a while. So pretty happy with that. So we had this big one, 33, 23, 21, 20, 22, 18, 19. So it's been kind of around the average. So I'm pretty happy with that. All right. So price is 52.23. NAV is 52.16. So we are above NAV. So if you are buying at a premium of 0.13%. So not, it's like pennies, but yeah, we are. If you are buying, you're buying at a premium right now. All right, so RDTE here. So RDTE, if we were to sell everything, would be net positive 453,000. If we net that against our total losses, it's pretty bad. 1.2 million in the hole right now. Total gross premiums collected is 1.6. Total payout is 1 million. So, but actually, sorry, I don't think I put this one in. Let me just grab RDTEs because that doesn't look right to me. What did they pay out? They paid out 33 cents. Yeah, sorry, I'm missing that number. There we go. So gross premiums 1.6, actual paid out 1.4. Like I said, it is early. Like they haven't announced the dividends for the 30th yet, and that looks weird. There we go. They haven't announced the dividends for the 30th yet, and then I'm already working on this one. So we are ahead as a data comes in. I'll update these. All right, so price to NAV. Price is 42.78. NAV is 42.75. So we are paying a 30-cent premium on this, which is really pennies still. 0.063% above NAV is what you're paying. Total dividends paid is $1.61. Average is 0.32 cents. All right, so let's go into the charts. So this is QDTE versus its competitors, QQQY, QQQI, QQQ, GPIQ, and JEPQ, and then I threw in YMAG because I like to see performance against YMAG. That's one I definitely own. So this is since inception of QDTE until today, total return. And as we can see here, YMAG is up. It's on top at 18%. Sorry, there we go. QDTE 14.11%. Then it's the underlying GPIQ, QQQI, JEPQ. Then at bottom of the barrel is Defiance at QQQY. only 6% up. Not that great. Let's throw in I Spy here, or sorry, IQQQ. IQQQ is right under GPIQ. Sorry, let me move this up a bit. There we go. So QDTE is on top. It's the winner. Then QQQ, GPIQ, and then QQQI, then IQQQ. So it's like fifth place. Sixth place. Fifth place. Yeah, so still not doing great. I thought IQQQ was doing a lot better than it actually was. But I mean, that's what it shows. So let's go and take a look at XDTE here. So same thing here since inception until today. So YMAG on top, 18%. XDTE, 15%. SPY, so we are beating our underlying again. SPY's at 13.54. GPIX, SPY-I, Juppy, and then Defiance bottom of the barrel. WDTE only at 7%. And then let's go ahead and add I Spy. See how this one is doing. And I Spy is number 5, right under Goldman again. All right, so XDTE beating its competitors, just like QDTE is beating its competitors. All right, and then we have RDTE. Not a lot of track record here. September 10 until today, total return, as we can see here, ITWO is winning at 6.3%. RDT's below that at 5.73. IWMI at 5.65. IWM and then IWMY bottom of the barrel, 2.75%. So not winning on this one, but pretty good still. ITWO has been killing. I think it's been on top for a while, but we'll see if that flips. Hopefully RDT can pull out ahead again. All right, so that's all I had here. Let me know what you guys think. 25 cents on QDTE. 20 cents. Is that right? Do I have the right one? Yeah, 20 cents on XDTE, and then 23 cents on RDTE. I don't think they're actually going to pay this low. They're probably going to pay around the 30-cent range again. I guess kind of what they've been averaging. So they've only paid 24 cents one time. But I think it's probably going to be around the 30-cent range. That's probably what you can expect for RDTE. All right, that's all I had for you guys. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.